Hi, I'm Dave Armstrong from 3PI, and today we're going to demonstrate how the U-Board system can be used as a native tablet device in Microsoft Windows. What this means is that we can input text and figures into any document or spreadsheet, and it will be picked up and turned into a very regular character by the machinery itself. Let's just watch what happens. If I open up Microsoft Word, a little icon comes up here, which is the tablet input panel. I can simply open it like this. This space is where I would write down the information that we want to put onto the document. Now that the handwriting is here, as you can see it's already tidied it up a wee bit, I simply have to press insert and up it comes into our document. Now we can edit this information as we would with any other Word document. We can change any aspect of it. See, very simply put in. The tablet input panel comes back up so that we can use it again if we want to put some more information into the document. As you can see, I haven't had to be very careful at all about how I'm writing. I simply use my normal handwriting and the computer does the rest. Simple. Again, this piece of information can be edited. Changed in any way that we desire. And looks very professional. If you have typing skills that are average or less than average, then the ability to handwrite in the information is really key. We'll just shut this document. And we don't want to save it. You can see that the pen is operating all the functions of the document as we go. It's connected up, but we haven't started up the Mint software at all. We're simply using the inbuilt Microsoft tablet capabilities. When not in use, the tablet hides over here on the side and can simply be brought out here to be used again. Okay, now we'll show you how the tablet input device can be used with a common piece of software, Microsoft Excel. Firstly, we could put some headings and columns. We can select a cell. Our tablet input panel is hiding over here. We can drag it out and we'll give this cell a heading. See, the software's recognised my handwriting. I can click insert and it's gone into the cell over here. We'll call this one cell 2. And away it goes. Now if we want to add numbers, we can of course handwrite them, but if you want to be very precise, you can use this function, which is the on-screen keyboard. Again, we're not using the proprietary software of U-Board, we're using the native Microsoft tablet software, which is built into any computer using Windows Vista and above. So we want to add a little bit of data into this column here, and we can say enter. And on it goes. We could of course go back to our handwriting panel here and we could achieve the same effect by handwriting the numbers into it, and the numbers come up. Very simple, very quick, and an easy way to build a spreadsheet for a group. Okay, so perhaps you want to explore using Google to work on a theme with your class, for instance space. We'll simply open up your browser and we'll go searching for Google. The tablet's hidden itself over on the side, so we pull it out, ready to go. Remember, we can take out things that we don't want from the input panel. Computer's recognised it, we go insert. And up comes Google for us to play with. So space theme, what would we look for? For instance, solar. Put cursor in there. Our search terms in. We can go. We haven't had to go back to the computer to find this information. We haven't had to leave our class by themselves. We've simply stayed up here at the top. So we change our mind. Solar's not going to work for us at the moment. We're going to have a look for something to do with the stars. So solar's out, and we'll put stars into our search term. Here we have stars, and we can carry on with our search. Again, we haven't had to leave the front of the class. All is good.
Hi, I'm going to demonstrate some of the Mint interactive software things that you can do. Now this here is just a website page, and we're just following on our space exploration type theme. Now I've got the Mint Interactive open, and I'm actually going to click down here on this arrow, and a whole host of different tools actually comes up. The tool that I'm going to show you here is beside the spanner here, and it's one called the Spotlight. You can imagine that using this tool as part of your classroom teaching is very, very useful. So here I go, I can move this around, and I can show the Earth there, and there goes the moon. And if I want to, I can actually make the sizes bigger or smaller. I can make the spotlight smaller, or I can make it bigger. Okay, now I'm just going to shut that down just by clicking on the X there. I'm going to move that around, and I'm just going to show you one of the other tools that we can use as well, which is the vertical curtain. Now junior school teachers really, really like this. They can just show little bits of the story at a time, which is very, very useful in highlighting what you want to talk about. And there's also one here which is a horizontal curtain, so you can go back this way if you wanted to. Very useful. Again, you just switch it off down here. And finally, I'd like to show you in the spanner box here the magnifier. Now just as it says here, if you want to get out of the magnifier, you're going to click on the right button on the pen here, which is just there. Now the magnifier is really, really good. It just helps you emphasize different specific things that you want your children to actually understand. Very, very good tool. I'm just going to right click, that gets me out of it again, and away we go.